How to grow tomatillo and its health benefits. Hello everyone, and welcome to Medical World by Dr. Adil Khan. Today we're exploring a unique and nutritious fruit, the tomatillo. Not only is it a key ingredient in many delicious dishes, but it also offers incredible health benefits. As a medical professional, I'm excited to share how you can grow tomatillos at home and why they're such a great addition to your diet. Let's get started. Part 1. How to grow tomatillos. First, let's talk about how to grow tomatillos. These plants are easy to grow and can thrive in your backyard or even in containers. Here's a step-by-step guide. Number 1. Choosing the right variety. There are several varieties of tomatillos, such as purple, green, and pineapple. Choose one that suits your climate and taste preferences. Number 2. Planting tomatillos. When to plant? Tomatillos are warm season plants. Start seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost, or plant directly in the ground after the danger of frost has passed. Soil requirements. They prefer well-draining soil with a pH of 6.0 to 7.5. Adding compost can help enrich the soil. Spacing. Space plants about 3 feet apart, as they can grow quite large and bushy. Number 3. Sunlight and watering. Tomatillos need full sun, at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Water them regularly, keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged. Number 4. Support and pruning. Use stakes or cages to support the plants as they grow. This prevents the branches from breaking under the weight of the fruit. Prune any dead or overcrowded branches to improve air circulation. Number 5. Pollination and harvesting. Tomatillos require cross-pollination, so plant at least 2 for proper fruit development. Harvest when the fruit fills the husk and the husk starts to split. This usually takes 75 to 100 days from planting. Part 2. Health benefits of tomatillos. As a doctor, I always emphasize the importance of a nutrient-rich diet, and tomatillos are a fantastic addition. Here's why. Number 1. Rich in nutrients. Tomatillos are low in calories but packed with essential nutrients like vitamins C and K, niacin, potassium, and manganese. They're also a great source of dietary fiber. Number 2. Boosts immunity. The high vitamin C content in tomatillos helps strengthen your immune system, making it easier for your body to fight off infections. Number 3. Supports heart health. Potassium in tomatillos helps regulate blood pressure, while the fiber content helps lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Number 4. Antioxidant properties. Tomatillos contain antioxidants like withanolides, which have anti-inflammatory properties and may help protect against chronic diseases like diabetes and cancer. Number 5. Aids digestion. The fiber in tomatillos promotes healthy digestion and prevents constipation, keeping your gut healthy. Number 6. May help with weight management. Tomatillos are low in calories and high in fiber, which helps you feel full longer. This makes them an excellent choice for anyone looking to manage their weight. Conclusion. So, whether you're growing tomatillos in your backyard or adding them to your meals, these little fruits are a win-win for your health and your taste buds. As a doctor, I highly recommend incorporating them into your diet for their numerous health benefits. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Medical World by Dr. Adil Khan for more tips on health, nutrition, and wellness. Let me know in the comments if you've ever grown or cooked with tomatillos. I'd love to hear your experiences. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.